We know that what is happening now in Darfur is genocide. Not only do we know, but it has been pronounced so. It has been recognised by the international community. There are people, countries in the UN Security Council who refuse to act, who refuse to recognise that human lives are more important than money, than oil, than any other thing on this earth. And so they do nothing. We must stand alongside the people from Darfur, and we must make enough noise in the world that the world stops and looks and acts with its heart and its head and recognises that human beings are the most precious thing on this earth. Every human life counts.
Where is the international community and its role to protect? The Sudanese government not only failed to protect its citizens, but is unwilling to do so. Ladies and gentlemen, the free nation of the world need to put pressure in their government to act to stop the genocide in Darfur and protect those 3.5 million refugees. Most of them are women and children. From this place, I call the Australian government to use all its effort to stop the ethnic cleansing in Darfur, to bring those criminals into justice.
The world stands condemned for ignoring the fate of the people of Darfur. You might say, well, Darfur is in Africa. It is so far away. What can we do? Nowhere is far away today. We in Australia can still act. We may not be the most populous nation, but we have the capacity to take moral leadership. We must get at our government day after day and demand that they make the voice heard in the UN and that action is taken to protect the people from Darfur. Let's make noise for Darfur. Let's insist that our government goes to the UN and that there is a change so that the people of Darfur are protected. It is not enough to give them a slice of bread. They have a right to live in freedom and security. And that's what we've got to fight for.
The Sudanese government is failing the people in the Darfur region. Such an abuse of the fundamental human rights that all people are entitled to and must receive cannot be allowed to continue. It is not simply an issue for the women and girls that are being raped every day. It is not simply an issue for the men that are being murdered. It is not simply an issue for the displaced. It is an issue for every one of us. We must work with and be a voice for the people of Darfur.